అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎలా ఉన్నారు కాకినాడ? నాకు ఇక్కడ వచ్చినందుకు, ఈ ఈవెంట్ కోసం వచ్చినందుకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. And thank you, Mr. Raju, for inviting me here. And thanks to Surya Global Hospitals for organizing such a beautiful and such a important event. I think this cause is extremely important. And whatever we've learned here today from all the dignitaries, from all the doctors, even I did not know so much about all this, and it's a very important learning, it's very educational. And I'm really happy to see so many youngsters here. Y'all are the tomorrow of our country, and all of you are the next generation. So if I think all of us together work towards prevention, awareness and the cure for cancer, we will be sorted. Cancer, I believe, is a lifestyle disease. And in today's day and age, with all these influences like smoking, using tobacco, drinking, all these things cause cancer. And of course, there are a lot more reasons for the cause of cancer. But all these lifestyle habits and lifestyle of today is a primary reason for the cause of cancer as well. And these are the things which are in our control. So let's take charge of it. Trust me, smoking is not cool. Drinking is not macho. So please believe me, girls and boys, y'all don't really have to drink and smoke to be cool. That's not how it works. Focus on your education instead. Cancer is curable, but more important than that, prevention is better than cure. So let's take care of ourselves, let's live healthy, and we'll be good. I think that's how it goes. If unfortunately any of us or anyone in our surrounding does face or does or have this unfortunate disease, it is completely curable. Like they said, please go to a good doctor, go to a registered, proper doctor, certified doctor, a good hospital, and in today's day and age, it can completely be taken care of. So for all your loved ones, I'm sure it will not be a problem. Just be very aware of this and look out for any symptoms, look out for any signs. And I think Surya Global Hospital is doing a wonderful job with curing cancer. In fact, there was this one person who I knew from this district who my assistant's relative unfortunately came down with abdominal cancer, and I was recommending the person to come to Bombay for treatment. Trust me, the person today is completely fine with the complete treatment in Kakinada from Surya Global Hospital. So I'm extremely happy to be a part of this venture, and I'm extremely happy to be spreading this word. And I hope that I'm in some way able to and possible to influence all you guys to live a healthier and a better life.